very important, guys. There is new technology on the market that can lift your face, reduce wrinkles, or make your body thinner and tighter while reducing cellulite. It may sound too good to be true, but doctors say they have the studies to prove it works. Medical reporter Meg Ferris has tonight's Wrinkle-Free Friday.
Kathy is in her 50s, teaches yoga, and has always put importance on health.
I've always been taking care of me since I was young. I've always been taking care of myself. I've been going to the gym since I was a teenager.
And knowing that it's sun damage that makes the skin look bad or old, she stopped sunbathing. She's not gotten into cosmetic procedures yet, but when new technology hit the market, allowing her skin to look firmer, tighter, and smoother, without any pain, any needles, or healing time, she thought it was a perfect match.
I look in the mirror, I notice myself.
What do you notice?
I do notice that it is a little tighter and smoother.
What Kathy didn't like was the sagging around her jowls, so she turned to the new Exilis.
It feels fine. Actually, I could close my eyes and take a nap. It's nice, it feels warm, there's no problem. I mean, it's really quick and easy.
The before and after pictures tell the story. Exilis is radio frequency, but it's an updated version of the technology that first came out years ago. There's no pain, no need for anesthesia. The risk of burns or complications such as dimpling, dents, and divots has been resolved. The Exilis uses a low energy level and is much safer. Its special energy flow is very controlled and uniform, always going down to the same level in the skin. It is FDA cleared for wrinkles and overall texture and skin tone. It works well tightening skin on the jawline, mid-face, eye area, and forehead. But already doctors are using it off-label for fat reduction, skin tightening on the body, and cellulite improvement, using it on the abdomen, arms, buttocks, and thighs, knees, and even ankles to slim what some call cankles. Dermatologist Dr. Mary Lupo started using the Exilis on patients such as Kathy in December.
It's an option for people who want a little bit of a brow lift and who do not want any kind of surgery and do not want any kind of needles. We're using it on the abdomen for people who have very loose skin as a result of childbearing or extreme weight loss, and they have loose skin. We're using it on arms to tighten loose skin on the arms, the loose skin above the knees. It has a myriad of applications.
Board-certified dermatologist Dr. Margaret Weiss is an assistant professor of dermatology at Johns Hopkins in Baltimore. Her clinic was among the first in the U.S. to try the Exilis and to gather data on patient results.
If you take measurements of a body area like the waist, the flanks, the thighs, the arms, and then you compare those measurements after 4 treatments over a 2-month period, then people are seeing significant reductions, which is exciting.
This mother of 3 tried it on the lax post-pregnancy belly skin.
The skin just immediately tightened and then still continued. You could feel it still tightening days after.
Doctors say you not only see immediate results, but the full effects 4 to 6 months later.
The way radio frequency works is it really causes 2 things. It causes an immediate contraction of the collagen bundles, which is why you oftentimes see that sort of immediate wow effect, that immediate lift. But it's really the long-term generation of collagen that gives us that longer-term effect.
They have actually done some very interesting studies. They've done ultrasounds on the skin and have actually shown that the fat has decreased. Very little, but it has decreased, and they have shown that. They've also done studies that have shown that there's definitely skin tightening, and when they've treated like around the edge of the arm and they've measured the circumference before and after a series of treatments, they've shown that it's smaller.
Dr. Weiss says she's tried it on her face for skin tightening and in her thighs for circumference reduction. and she noticed the difference. And unlike lasers, the good news is that this new device can be used in all men and women.
This technology is perfect for all skin types because it is a colorblind technology. Because of the energy flow control and the cooling mechanisms, the epidermis and where the skin pigment is protected, so you can use this on all ethnic groups.
Of course, you will not get results that rival surgery, but for people like Kathy who want no downtime, the Exilis is the easiest trip to the doctor she's ever had.
You could walk right out of the office and go out and go to work or wherever you want.
For Wrinkle Free Friday, I'm Meg Ferris.
4 treatments are recommended for best results, and the total cost for all the treatments runs around $1,400.
It's a growing problem in one part of town. Someone grabs your cell phone right out of your hand and then runs off.
Coming up, what police say you should do to prevent it from happening to you.